Go away, you little snots.
Alright, so I got this cat tree here. I got 3 orange cats playing with it before I can even get it out of the box. We got Dot there on the left, and these 2 little kittens,
Milo and Rusty.
Milo and Rusty. What is it about the orange cats? Okay, every color of cat here, but the orange guys are the troublemakers.
Look at all the rest of them being peaceful, paying attention to their own business.
There's
Doing
a
my
calico,
thing. That's
there's
right.
a white cat,
Right. A tortie.
there's a tortie,
There's another tabby.
there's another tortie-ish.
Yeah.
There's another
And
calico.
the black and white.
Nice little black and white over there. Everybody's just chilling.
Nobody's causing any problem except
These 2 little guys.
These little guys. It kills me.
Having the best time with a cardboard box.
Cardboard is so delicious these days too.